back to my channel. This is Brunette Wig Place and I am Lisa. I am so glad that you are here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and then you'll get a notification every time I post a new wig review or wig related video. So I am so happy to show you this cute style. This is Unfiltered by Raquel Welch from their new 2020 spring collection. And the color on this is also a new brunette to bring to my channel, which is Iced Mocha. They came out with these iced shades in, I think, fall of 2019, and I have been really anxious to try one of them. And I love this one. This is definitely a cool medium brown. The actual color code on Iced Mocha is RL812SS. So, cute wig, pretty color, very happy with it. So this wig, this style on this wig is so cool. It's got a modern edge to it, but yet it is just also a pretty shattered beach wave with a lot of texture. I think it will fit a lot of different face shapes. It's not too poofy or too much hair for my small face, which is, encouraging because other people with larger faces, it should work out just great. If it's not overwhelming on my small face, it's usually going to be okay, on different face shapes. So you can get a lot of volume from the style if you want to, and it's not the volume. I'm not feeling a lot of permatease in this wig. There's a little bit of a teasing at the root, but the volume is coming from wave upon wave upon wave as you go through the different layers. So just really, really pretty style. I love this swoop, here at the front. Love the way it just sweeps over the forehead, but doesn't get in your eyes. It's really cooperating well. Now, I parted mine on the left. It is a full mono top, so you could part it in the middle. You could part it on the right. You just find that parting space that works well with your face shape, and it's great that you have those options with that mono top. So let me go ahead and do a turn, and I'll show you Unfiltered all the way around, and then we'll get into all of her specifications. So you've seen the front. Really cute. I love how these little tendrils hang down just slightly below the chin, but then the rest of it is pretty much chin length. Just gives it a little cute, edge. So really pretty. So here's my right side. The back. My left side. Again, you can see that slightly longer layer there. And then back to the front. So she is just such a cute cut. So as far as her measurements are concerned, she is 10 inches here in the front. So like I said, just a little slightly like an inch longer here in the very front, just on that front layer, which is really cute. And then she is 9 inches from the crown. She has 6-inch sides, 7.5 inches in the back, and a 3.5-inch nape. So, really cute. Not too long, which is kind of nice. We're starting to go into the warmer months, and these are also heat-friendly fibers. I like heat-friendly fibers when they don't brush on my clothes a lot because they just last longer, they wear better, and so this is a great style, for summer and as we go into these warmer months. And just such a pretty, cool, edgy, textured style. I'm just so happy with the style. It's really, really pretty. So really cute, but I do like the fact with heat-friendly fibers that it's not brushing my clothes because that can, really wear on those fibers. So anyway, so she, like I said, she has the Sheer Indulgence lace front and she's got a mono top. So let me show you this lace front here. Lace front is very nice. Raquel Welch always does such a great job with their lace fronts. They thin those hairs out just slightly as you get towards the edge there, and that just looks so natural, gives it such a natural hairline. And then, of course, I have it parted on the left. You can part anywhere, as I said, but you do get that appearance of scalp. Anywhere on the top here, since it has a full mono top. So lots of parting options, which is really nice. So as far as her other cap, let me show you her ear tabs here on the outside too. So really nice coverage on the ear tabs, great coverage on the face here, and nice, a lot of hair on the ear tabs, which I like because then if you do want to pull it off your face, you have that natural, you still have that natural look. So really, really nice. Very happy with the ear tabs. They always do such a nice job. All of their wigs are well made, nice cap construction, good coverage, all that sort of stuff. So let me pop her off and we can look at the inside of the cap. So here is that full mono top. The lace front, which is temple to temple. She's got nice soft felt covered ear tabs that are nice and comfortable against your face. She has an extended nape, which is also covered with that velvety felt. She's got Velcro adjusters, which are nice. I did have to bring in each adjuster with my petite head, but found my spot, and that is where they will stay. And then you'll notice she's got this silicone lining on the inside. This is the Memory Cap 3, and that just gives you some extra security, some extra grip on the inside of that wig, which is really, really nice. So let me pop her back on, and we can look at her shade. So this is the Iced Mocha. There is one shade in these iced shades that is darker, which I believe is Iced Java. And so Iced Mocha is RL812 SS. So the description of Iced Mocha is that it is one of the shadow shades, meaning there's a subtle darkening at the root. It is a natural brown highlight on top of a medium brown base. And then it has, like I said, that subtle brown rooting. And the rooting is a little more apparent outside, but it's very subtle. It's not, you're not going to see a huge shade change, as you can see. But they just do that to give it a natural, more natural look. So really, really pretty color. Okay, well, let's take this Iced Mocha outside and we can look at the shade outside in the natural light. Okay, so here we are outside with this unfiltered wig by Raquel Welch in Iced Mocha, which is RL812 SS. And we'll move out here where we are in brighter light. It's kind of overcast today. It was sunny, but really pretty shade. Hopefully you can see that there's just that subtle darkening I was talking about at the root. So cute. Okay, let's take. We are back inside. As you can see, I could really see the highlighting more when we were outside in the natural light than I can see it when I'm inside in indoor light. So glad that I took it outside to show you the shade. That's why I like to do that. So as far as styling is concerned, I personally love her style just like it is, but I have played around with her just to see, what else you can do. So it's cute. I like pulling back just this very front layer. I think that looks super cute. And you have such a great lace front. Show you the lace front again there. It works out really well. So any kind of little cute clip, I always love to use this little clip. Any kind of little cute clip there, if you want to just pull it just off your face, you can do that. Now, it's also cute, I have just stuck a headband in it, and I think with all the waves around that headband, and you get a little bit of poof back here, it looks really cute. But you can also, you can put it all the way behind the ears. It was just a little challenging to get a headband in with all of the waves and the layers. So what I did was I put it behind the ears, and you can ear tuck it, but it's a little bulky behind the ears. I'll just be honest with you about that. And then I'm not crazy about the way it sticks out, but then you can stick in a headband if you want to. And then kind of fluff those layers around the headband. It looks really cute. So really cute like that. And as far as, you could also pull back a lot more on the top if you wanted to, and, clip it in a larger claw clip. That looks cute too. These kind of layers, you can just clip it back and play around with it and do some cute stuff with it. So pull down a little bit, whatever. It just looks really cute. Just that shattered, kind of messy but cool look, So anyway, and she also works really great for glasses. So I will put it behind my ears just so you can see how easily the glasses go on. But really, really, very easy with the glasses. On, off, on, off. I don't know that I would try to push her back with glasses, but you could definitely just stick your glasses in the wig, on top of your head, and that would work too. So she is just really, really cute. I forgot to mention I did purchase this wig at Wig Studio One, so I always recommend Wig Studio One. I'm very happy with Andrea and her gang over there. I got great customer service and just very happy with Wig Studio One. So I do want to mention them as well. So thank you so much for watching. Leave comments below. Any questions that you have about the wig, I'll be happy to answer them. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.